Here I have REALME Narzo 10, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off running apps on this device. So if you notice that your device works a bit slowly, maybe laggy, and don't respond to your actions, and you don't know what to do about it. So this can be caused by a lot of apps which are opened but you don't use them. So what you can do about these apps is to just tap this recents button. Here you can see all of these opened apps. They might slow your device down, so what you can do is to just tap close all here, and after this all of these apps will be closed. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.